And this is sort of my new discovery. Okay. Well, it's already in existence. It's a large pastry bag, and it has this very large tip on it. It's sort of like a base frosting tip, very wide. So I have my lovely soaked husk. So what I am going to do, see this right here? This is just a glass cutting board, has its tiny little feet. So I thought, okay, I need someone to hold this down for me because I am going to pipe 2 lines of pastry masa. Okay, this is just the last tip. I'm going to go ahead and pipe out 2 rows. I just kind of like this. I discovered this. There we go. There we go. Putting in my cheese or whatever your filling is. So, here we go. I'm just going to mush them together a little bit. Okay, there you go. I peeled it back a little bit because I want to do a little more rolling. And again, flawless. Absolutely flawless. Thanks for watching.